Woman acknowledges that she felt rage. She was upset, having a bad morning. She had slept outside overnight. She was hot, clearly frustrated. When we see her on the camera footage from the police station, she goes, gets the knives at the thrift store, and then she goes to do the stabbings. So, Dr. Carole, she's acknowledging her rage. And the defense team seems to be saying, well, this is caused by her schizophrenia, that she really didn't know right from wrong. Thoughts on that?
Well, yeah, I mean, we know what, well, at least we have one cause for her rage when she went to the police station and she wasn't able to get her belongings and all of that. So, I mean, even schizophrenics have real reasons. They're not always psychotic. And there was a real reason why she was enraged. And, then she went and got the knives. So that was another sign that she was enraged. But that really has nothing to do with whether she was not guilty by reason of insanity, what she was thinking at the time. I remember I said that I thought that it would be really interesting to find out what she thought when the mother, came towards her with the shopping cart and then she veered. Did she have some kind of did she hear a voice that told her something about that woman? I mean, if there was something like that, something specific, that one could put one's hat on, that's different. But the defense psychiatrist didn't really explain in a way to explain why she picked that woman, why she picked that child, what she was thinking at that moment. You can't just say they both agree she has schizophrenia and that she was angry, but that's not enough. You have to get more to the specifics.
I love that. Dr. Carole, you're really speaking to my lawyer brain, the logic. What you just said there about she had a real reason to be enraged, right? Because she was mad at the police station. She wanted to get her property back. They wouldn't give her property back. She's upset, turning the lights off in the lobby. Like you said, we need to separate in our minds the idea that someone experiencing schizophrenia, living with it, isn't always in a psychotic episode. She was, pretty clear-headed to ask for her belongings. She knew where to go, what to ask for, got mad. So yeah, this logical explanation you just gave us is really hitting home. Randolph, what do you think the lawyers need to do with what Dr. Carole just gave us if you're on the side of the prosecution?
Well, one thought that I had while Dr. Carole was talking is that it's possible that the jury may just cancel both of these experts out and use all of this great video that they have. I mean, it's a case with incredible evidence that the jury is going to have before them. And maybe the jury says, you know what, we think they both canceled themselves out, the experts. Let's look at the video and her behavior leading up to this in the thrift shop, in the supermarket, in the parking lot, and after. And maybe that's how we get to this understanding of, was she understanding her wrongfulness or the wrongfulness of this act at the time of the crime? Yeah, Randolph, that's a real possibility. I'm glad you raised that.